Hey guys, welcome back to your own channel Career Kranti, and hope you guys had a wonderful new year. And today I'm gonna teach you how to look up value from multiple sheets. So today we will be using VLOOKUP and IfError function to get value from multiple sheets. Okay, so let's start with VLOOKUP. So these are the employee code, and we need to get the employee name, location and department from these three sheets: data 1, data 2 and data 3, and we need to consolidate a single sheet, okay, using VLOOKUP and IfError function. So first we will put VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP syntax is lookup value, table array, column index and range lookup. So my lookup value is employee code, that is 111, comma table array. So first we will use data 1 sheet. Click on data 1 sheet and select the table. Okay, now we will press F4 to freeze the table. So now you can see the dollar sign before and after the range. Okay, now comma 2. Why? Because we need employee name. Employee name is in second position. First position is employee code, then employee name. If you want to get the location, then we will put 3 for location because it is in third position. Okay, we want employee name, so we will put 2, comma 0, or you can write false for exact match. Bracket close and enter. Now we will drag it down to paste the formula. Now you can see the NA. Why? Because these employee codes are not available in this sheet. Okay, those are available in data 2 and data 3 sheet. Now to eliminate these errors and checking if these employee codes are available in other sheets, so we will use IfError function. So we need to put the IfError function before VLOOKUP. So write IfError. So IfError syntax is value and value IfError. So this is my value. Suppose if I get any error or NA from this VLOOKUP, then what I need to do? Okay, then comma. Now I need to get value from other sheet. Now we will use VLOOKUP. My lookup value is employee code, then we will use data 2 sheet, then select the table. Now press F4 to freeze the table range, comma 2, comma 0, bracket close for VLOOKUP, bracket close for IfError, and press enter. Now drag it down this formula. Now let's check. So we have got these three employee codes name as well. Okay, and these are also not available in data 2 sheet, so those are available in data 3 sheets. Again we will put another IfError before this IfError. Okay, IfError. If I get error from this formula, okay, then what I need to do? Now again VLOOKUP, lookup value, comma, we will use data 3 sheet, select the table range, freeze the table range, comma 2, comma 0, bracket close for IfError, and enter. Now drag the formula. Now you can see all the names are available. Okay, so these 111, 999, 888, we have got the name. Similarly you can use this formula to get the location and the department. So suppose you have 3 or 4 or 5 sheets. Okay, so you have data in 5 sheets, then you need to use 4 if error. If you have 10 sheets, then you will use 9 if error. Okay, so hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and please share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching.